Today on Lone Star Grills, we're making beer brats with onions over an open fire on our Santa Maria grill. We'll be doing today's cook on our beautiful Lone Star Grills Santa Maria. Start by lighting about a medium-sized fire. We're using a mixture of oak and hickory today. Place a 12-inch cast iron skillet directly over the heat and add 1/2 stick of butter, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 2 medium sliced yellow onions, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of ground thyme, 1 teaspoon of your favorite grainy mustard. Stir to combine, then lower your grates a little closer to the heat to start your saute. Now add about a tablespoon of our Lone Star Grillz Texas Fusion for a little added flavor. Once again, stir to combine and then allow this to cook for a few minutes to begin to reduce and for the onions to become translucent. Now we'll add 2 cloves of chopped garlic and stir those in until they become fragrant. Place your bratwurst in the skillet and then add 12 ounces of your favorite beer. Bring this to a boil and turn these every few minutes as needed. It will take approximately 30 to 45 minutes for them to reach a safe temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit. And once they do, it's time to set these directly over the heat to get a good sear. This is going to add some awesome flavor and texture. Once they're seared to your liking, place them back in the skillet for serving. And of course, you can fix these up any way you like. These brats and onions are infused with some incredible flavor, and your friends and family are gonna love them. Thank you so much for watching today's video. We truly appreciate your support. And if you've got questions on any of our products at any time, give us a call or check out our links below.